Hello everyone, we are excited to announce the latest update for UIbrainX. In this video, we're gonna walk you through how to create a website using version 2, step by step. Our application seamlessly integrates with various page builders, as detailed in the list provided. To begin, let's sign up for a trial version to see what it's like. You can use this plan with both Gutenberg and Webflow. If you want to get the best results in your experiment, you might want to check out the professional plans. This update includes several changes, yet the overall process remains consistent. Now access your UIbrainX account. Create a new project and assign a name. I'll name this one Yoga as a topic today. You can either choose from the available templates that we've created. There are plenty of topics to explore. Or start from scratch and build your own. So here's the UIbrainX interface. It works like other well-known AI page builders. You just need to ask the AI assistant to whip up a standard prompt for your website. To quickly demonstrate, we prepared an inspirational website. I want to make a new website with a fresh design and got some inspiration from this other site. Our advanced AI will analyze the CSS styles to create an innovative design. Copy the source URL. Next, type your prompt with that link. Hit enter and let UIbrainX do its thing. Depending on the server and your internet speed, you might need to wait a moment before the app can start coding. You can see the results significantly appear. And now, we just got a beautiful hero section. The prompt serves as the essential guide for directing the output section by section. The more precise you are, the higher the quality of the output will be. We highly recommend to use English when crafting prompts. You can kick back with a nice hot coffee while UIbrainX takes care of the coding for you. Here's the initial outcome. You can scroll down to check the result. Or click on the preview button to check the full width. This homepage looks so good. Utilize our additional controls to identify desired elements. You can customize content and parameters like margins, paddings, change image URL, or delete it. We continue to offer essential features such as uploading images, selecting color palettes, and choosing fonts. Next to the preview button, you can assess the responsiveness of the design. Honestly, it would take many hours to build all of this manually. And here we have it in under 5 minutes. And at this point, I'll ask AI to create more sections for the testimonial part. You can definitely ask AI to create something specific in design just by giving it a prompt. And here you go. You can ask AI to add carousel effects or tweak the coding yourself if you want. For instance, We'll add slider carousel effect for this product section. With our application, you can effortlessly turn your ideas and desires into reality. If you specialize in coding, you have the ability to directly modify the coding dashboard. The most significant change in this version lies in the process of adding a new page. Just enter "add a new page" along with the prepared prompt in the same conversation box. In this operation, we can maintain consistent styling across all pages. You can open the preview and check it out. The output is quite impressive and maintains the same style as the homepage. The outcome will be more comprehensive if the prompt is thorough. Returning to the UIbrainX dashboard, we have now refined the design and finalized the homepage. Similarly, we enhanced the design and got a slider carousel in the testimonial part. We highly recommend adding an FAQ section with an accordion effect at the end of homepage. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can export your website directly to page builders. At this stage, these outputs operate using the same mechanisms. Before exporting data in Elementor, please ensure that you adhere to the setup requirements. The necessary plugin is installed. And the flex box is enabled. You may be familiar to export the entire page. In this version, you are able to export single section. Utilize the selector detector to apply the appropriate section. At this point, I'll transfer the homepage to Elementor by choosing the entire option. Activating this feature will improve the output structure significantly. Explore our documentation to uncover a range of advanced settings. Click on Export and wait some second. The data is now copied to the clipboard. After that, head into Elementor and paste it directly into the canvas. Right-click and choose Paste from another site. Confirm by pressing Ctrl or Command and V. Just hold on for a moment, and you'll see the outcome. The entire layout appears. All native Elementor widgets, and it's all editable. If you'd prefer not to use this structure, let's attempt exporting the data without merging elements. Editing the content is super easy. You may wonder why this slider not working. Please be aware that this feature is exclusively functional on the front end as well. When updating content or images for slider, you can simply click on the widgets or navigation taskbar. The same operation in carousel effect of testimonial part. With Dynamic List widget, you can duplicate items to add more links or images. In the footer, we've got repeater elements for nav links. Don't forget to check if it's responsive too. It's kinda good in tablet. It's perfect. Everything looks smooth in mobile as well. At this stage, you are now ready to publish the page. An enhancement when UIbrainX adds a dynamic effect compared with static design. As you can see, it works well on Elementor. With UIbrainX, you can easily share your ideas with clients in a straightforward way. It's a pretty handy tool for that. This approach will significantly streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. When we compare the design of the inspiration site with that of UIbrainX, it's clear that there are significant differences. You can compare with the source site yourself. Similarly, you can get the same results in other builders. Let's try on native WordPress, Gutenberg. Press Export Data. Then you can paste data in anywhere of WordPress. In Softlight, you will find a feature known as block templates, which functions as a stored template. Let's click on Add Block. On your native WordPress page, simply press Ctrl or Command along with V to paste your data effortlessly. We've encountered a slight issue with the header, but you can adjust the position with our control. For other tasks, everything operates seamlessly. You now can change any element, any content with Gutenberg. There are an advanced control tab. You can change styles of elements. If you use our Softlight block, you can grab the shortcode and easily stick this page wherever you want. In this way, you can use UIbrainX with any WordPress page builders. Alright, that's it. We just created a modern, fully responsive homepage using AI in under 15 minutes. So go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to let us know your thought.